The lawyer to the embattled Nigerian singer, Darlington, has accused the police of defying the court order by refusing to release his client. NaijaNews reports that this comes more than 2 days after the Federal High Court granted bail to controversial singer. Recall that Darlington, who was arrested on the 27th of November 2024 on allegation of cyberstalking Grammy award-winning singer Burna Boy, has spent a month in police detention. Although the Federal High Court granted him bail on Monday, his continued detention has drawn criticism from his legal team and supporters. In an Instagram post on Thursday, Alieke said he had exhausted his connections in Abuja, noting that nobody wants to get involved in Darlington's case due to his past actions. Alieke expressed displeasure over the police's disregard for the court's ruling, which had instructed them to either release or arraign Darlington within 48 hours. He said, "We've gone to court and done everything a lawyer should do to get his client out. I have even exhausted my connections. I've reached out to my political friends here in Abuja. I've reached out to everyone. I wonder why people are trying not to get involved in this case and are saying, look, Akpi, Darlington, insulted us before. Akpi did this before. It's nonsense. Everyone was trying to say he got what was coming to him. And so what? Just imagine your brother in detention for more than a month now over the fact that he allegedly insulted someone, and people are celebrating, jubilating, and saying, okay, Akpi talks anyhow. Someone even told me not to get involved because Akpi had insulted me. But I have known Akpi for over 5 years, and I've been his lawyer. I know him better than the people talking online. I have no idea why the police are refusing to obey the court order and release that guy, Darlington." The court ruled on Monday that the police should release or arraign him within the next 48 hours. Okay, we didn't count yesterday because they said it was a Christmas holiday, and to that extent a public holiday, so it shouldn't be counted. Today, we counted Tuesday, but we didn't count Wednesday. Today, Thursday, makes it 48 working hours. Yet, the police refused to grant him bail or obey the court order, either to grant him bail or arraign him before the court. Now, he has spent the Christmas there. We'll continue to monitor the story closely for more updates. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.